Hey, I've been doing graphics and logos going over like 10 years. I've been getting more and more serious about it because, I've been making graphic tees and all the kind of journeys I'm going to do with my graphics and logos now. And while I'm in this process, I want to be showing y'all too. So definitely make sure y'all subscribe. Subscribers, go ahead and subscribe. Okay, waiting. All right. First, we're going to go to Canva. Let's go ahead and sign up, y'all. Let's go ahead and sign up. And usually have like a free trial and stuff. So get on that. All right, get your free trial on. And then we're going to make it to the home page. And let's start. Okay. And you will make it to this home page. Once you get here, once you sign up, you're going to come to the home page. Mine's got more things on it because I've been using it, okay? All right, then we're going to go to create, okay, over here. Let me show y'all again. You're going to go to create. So it depends on what inspired you or what you got in mind, what you want to create. You could put it in the top bar and it can give you some ideas. But for me, I want to start from scratch. We're going to go to the whiteboard. Okay, so to give you different options of kind of whiteboard you probably would want, or maybe get inspired on something that you see down here. So I'm gonna go here at the top. I'm gonna go from scratch and let's see what we're gonna create. Okay, let's see what we're going to do. This gonna always be on your left hand side. This all good things that you can do, your text, your elements and designs and all your good stuff, your brand uploads, tools and projects and all that good stuff. I guess I'm gonna make a graphic design, something that I will put on a shirt or something like that. We're gonna go with that. All right. Okay, so we got a blank whiteboard. So I'm gonna want to make something to do with a cat, because cats do sell when it come down to on shirts and all this different items. So we're gonna make us a cat logo shirt today. So on the search board, I'm going to put in cat. Once I press the element, then it's gonna pop up. So we're gonna put cat. Let's see, can we find us something cute? We have more cartoon characters, graphics, or more realistic, real cat. I think I'm gonna do realistic. Oh, no, this is too cute. You can't tell me that's not cute. Okay, so now that we're here, you see on the search bar, you can put anything. Let's say you want to be inspired by cats and you want to create with something with cats. You have some elements and stuff like that you can add to it, whatever you want to use. Like if I did want to use this cute cat or any other kind of cat or whatever you want to choose, and you want to put like some wordings on the top side or whatever you can, but I want to do something more from scratch. But there's different elements that you can use and add your own touch to it. Or technically you definitely use this, and then you will come over here by the share, you will go down here and press download, and then of course you'll put in the PNG as an image, yeah, and then you will download it. Literally it will download, okay, and you'll have that in your files. So when you need to go to your next step, if you want to use it on Printify or whatever other projects you're trying to do, you can do it like that. But we're going to find something else. I'm going to start from scratch, okay? I'm going to create active news, but we're just going to go with the flow. I guess we'll do something to empower women. All right, women at the beach. Okay, we'll do that. All right, let's get inspired, because summertime is here and we want to have fun, and I'm all about motivational and uplifting. Okay, now we're just gonna go down and search around and see what we can be inspired by, because the summertime is near and we want to promote all type of cool stuff. And these logos and things I could come up with, I could use it for my journals, my digital booklets, or definitely for my shirts. But not, I would use more like a different kind of graphic, like a graphic like this compared to a photo. This will be your photo, and then you have videos too. So if you want to be inspired, you want to use it for your TikTok shorts, YouTube shorts. You definitely could use videos as well. Right, definitely. And so you can be very creative with this. Very creative. So, yeah. So if I was making like a short or something like that, I would definitely use these different shorts. And I'm definitely getting ideas while I'm thinking about it. But that's for another video. Alright, so looking through, I think I really like this. This is so fly, right? Right. I want to do something from scratch, but this is so inspiring. This is so cute. Oh man, I like this. Alright, yeah, I'm inspired. I think we're just gonna roll with this. Let's do what else we got. We got so many options to go. I like this little part right here in the middle. It's all gonna come together. See, a whiteboard, you can kind of be creative too. And I can show you something that you have you'll be inspired by it, and you can actually remove some things, add some things too. I can show you that as well. Right now I'm just going to put some things together real quick. And this is how you press duplicate. Like I say, you want to do it again on the other side, you press right here. This is your delete. It's your duplicate. If you want to lock your image so it won't move, you'll press a lock so it won't move. You want to unlock it like that. Okay. So now that I unlocked it, let's go back to duplicate. So we got another one. Okay. We got another one. Yeah, I'm just trying to keep it simple. It's a lot of things. I was self-taught to do a lot of stuff. And I'm just flowing with it and just showing y'all the way. But yeah, you can be creative all type of ways. I'm just doing some things real simple, real cute. And I'm going to show you how you can do different things with it. Okay? Alright, let's see. Can we find us a nice little sun? Just trying to show you different things so you can look it up. Just make it fast and easy for yourself. You want a sun. Because, once you sign up, you got a free trial so you can try it out before buying it. So make sure you do that, okay? And then you can just go ahead. Once you get to that home, don't forget that you're going to go ahead and get to that search bar and put ideas out already that you would like. No, I don't think I like this sun. Right here. No. I'm trying to think. No, not like that. I want to do the smiley face the shades, but you definitely want something to kind of pop like that. Yeah. Something like that. I really think I want that sun over here. I really think I do. I really think I want this sun over here. Yeah. I like it right there, really. Alright, you see the lines, so make sure that you line it up correctly and more accurately. Yeah. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and put some wordings on here. We're going to go to text. You have your different sides. So, of course, I want to kind of big, and then we'll work on the style of the letters. Okay. Let's see. Just doing things simple so y'all can get the hang of it. It's very easy once you get the hang of it. Just be creative. Right, let's do it. Alright, so now we're gonna do the style. Just like it's more playful. I think I like that. Let's see. I think I can do a bigger bow. That sounds fun. Okay, and then let's start working on the color. Go right here to the color bar. And I think I want to make it pink too, like everything else. I think that's how I want it. Yeah, everything match. I think I really like this. This is cute. If I want to put this as one of my logos or something, I don't know what I would do yet with it. But it's something I can add to the collection. Let's have fun. And it looks so cute in the sun. Okay, let's see. Alright, I think we'll go rock it like that. And then you'll come over here literally and press share. And then you'll go to download. And then you will go to, you have different options if you want to play around with the options. But yeah, you usually don't want to do too much. You just want to download it. And let it download to your computer. And actually, you can do a lot of this work on your phone as well, because I got it on my phone too, because I'm always creating stuff. In a little while, we'll go over some things that I have done already, okay? But we don't need to do that, because it's already downloaded. See, complete. Incomplete. Let's see. Yeah, okay, let's go here. Alright, boom. Alright. Adding the heading to here. Alright, there we go. Boom. Alright, so this will be your finished product. You see it? So download it to my website, to my files.